kids! Yay! Are you ready for magic surprise boxes? Let's open the boxes and count together. 3! Whoa! One little box, open it slow, don't quack quack. A duck jumps out. How many ducks do you see? One! One little duck says quack quack quack. 2 surprise boxes on the floor. Woof woof! 2 puppies run. How many puppies are there? 2! 2 happy puppies having fun. 3 magic boxes open wide. Hop hop! Rabbits jump outside. How many rabbits are here? 3 little rabbits hopping high. 4 little boxes in a line. Buzz, buzz, honeybees appear. How many honeybees can you hear? Wee! 4 busy bees buzzing near. Wee! Wee! 5 colorful boxes, what a surprise. Flutter, flutter, butterflies fly. How many butterflies in the sky? 5 pretty butterflies flying high. 6 magic boxes, let's all see. March, march, ants come happily. How many ants are there? 6! 6 little ants walking around. 7 shiny boxes on the ground. Slow, slow, turtles crawl around. How many turtles are here? Here! 7 tiny turtles walking slowly. 8 rainbow boxes open now. Fury cats say why. How many cats are here? 8 playful cats jump around. 9 surprise boxes full of fun. Swish, swish, fish jump one by one. How many fish do you see? 9 shiny fish swimming free. 10 magic boxes, big hooray. Chirp, chirp, birds come out to play. How many birds are there? 10! Teacher 10 happy birds sing to